In this video, we will show you how to install a new copy of Reveal on your computer. Please note, this video covers the installation of a fresh copy of Reveal, not upgrading an installed copy. Start by running the installation program that you can obtain from Apre instruments, typically via a web download link. Now we will go through the installation process step by step. First, you are presented with the End User License Agreement. Please read carefully and accept if you agree to its terms and conditions. The next screen gives you a choice to override the default file location for where Reveal is installed. We recommend you choose the default location so the files are easy to find. Please note that the Reveal program is not installed under the program files in the Windows file structure. This is intentional to allow you to run Reveal without administrative rights. This next screen is the most important screen. It allows you to select the packages to install during the installation process. Reveal is a modular program, and hardware support comes in the form of plug-in libraries. The first step is to select which drivers, such as camera or ramp generator, will be loaded onto the computer. In the upper part of this window is a pull-down menu used to pre-select packages required to run specific instruments. Here you will find the S-Series interferometers and some popular upgrades such as the Zygo GPI or MiniFizz. You can also select full installation or custom installation, where you select packages individually. In this case, we will select Basic Installation without hardware. As you scroll down, you can see specific hardware packages such as the Balmer or IDS camera, and the list continues through phase shift hardware, sensors, motion control, stages, and distance measurement equipment. In our case, again, we have selected Installation without hardware. For that, you need to select the Other Configuration file. And we are also going to select Fourier transform and optical shop testing, additional modules, which allows the measurement and analysis of prisms, corner cubes, right angle prisms, and wedges, and do Fourier transform filtering and analysis such as MTF, PSF, and PSD. These two packages, optical shop testing and Fourier analysis, need to be purchased in addition to the basic interferometry package. If you do not purchase these licenses and you try to run them, you will be shown an error message. Therefore, confirm you have a license before installing them. The next screen allows you to overwrite the starting folder where the program will reside. Again, we recommend using the default location. We also give you the option to deselect installing shortcuts. We recommend that you select them, though, to make starting the program easier. This is the last screen before installation begins, and is a summary of the files to be installed. In this case, the analysis packages are listed. Now the installation program will start copying files to your hard drive. Again, the Reveal program files are installed on the C drive in the Apre instrument folder and Reveal folder, which is the standard installation location. Installation will take several minutes. This is the last screen of the installation process, where the Reveal program is launched automatically. Please note, you need to have a valid license to run Reveal that you can obtain from Apre Instruments. It can be obtained as a hardware license key that is sold with interferometers, upgrades, and analysis-only packages, or as a 30-day evaluation software license, which you can obtain as a download with instructions from Apre Instruments. Next, we launch Reveal and review the release notes. The release notes document the improvements with each version. The program is now starting. Again, we have chosen the analysis-only installation. This installation comes with pre-installed simulated hardware, so when you press Measure, an actual measurement is produced as if you were connected to an interferometer. Let's look at the desktop. You can see a shortcut icon to launch Reveal, a link to the PDF manual, and a link to Apre's YouTube channel, where reside Reveal instructional videos regarding operation and configuration of Reveal. Apre's website also links to these training videos. Also note that the Apre Instruments folder has been created on the C drive, along with the Reveal file folder in the Apre Instruments folder, which is where the Reveal program resides. You can easily start Reveal by double-clicking on the desktop shortcut icon, or you can go to the Start folder, scroll down to Apre Instruments, and there find all the links to the relevant Reveal programs. In addition to Reveal, there are two programs, Profile Manager and Service Configuration, which are discussed in separate videos.